Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads. I have some clear pony beads. You're also going to need some stars, or you can substitute whatever you have on hand. Hearts or any bead that's just a little bit bigger than a pony bead. You're also going to need, well, we're going to start with 2 feet of string, and then we'll add some more later. And then you're going to need some scissors. And this needle is optional. So I have my 2 feet of string, and then I went ahead and put my needle on one end. This end without the needle, we're going to put on four pink beads. And we're going to go through this bead here. And we're going to take a clear bead and we're just going to tie this on here one time. This is just to hold the end for right now. This is how we're going to start it. So this is just going to hold the string here so we don't lose it as we're working. Okay, so we have our 4 pink beads. Now we're going to add 2 purple. And we're going to take the needle and we're going to go back through the second bead. And then you can hold this one here. You just hold this bead, and then with this hand you're going to pull the string down. Okay, we're going to add 2 purple. And you can just let those fall down the string. And we're going to add 2 blue. And you're going to go down. Okay, so we add the 2 blue. We're going to take our string and go down the second one. Just like before, we're going to hold this bead and then take this hand and pull the string. We're going to add 2 blue, 2 green. Now we're going to take this needle, or if you don't have a needle, the string, back through the second one. Grab this bead and then pull with this hand. Two green, 2 yellow. We're going to go back down. Two yellow. Okay, we're going to go back through the second bead. Two orange. Now we're going to add 2 pink and go through that second bead. So it should be making this zigzag pattern here. 2 pink, 2 2 purple, and we're going to go down this purple. Two purple, 2 blue. Take our string and go back down. To green. Now we're going to go back down. So we've already done one set of rainbow. We're just repeating. So I'm just going to keep doing this on camera. And if you need to stop the video to get caught up, go ahead and do that. Okay, this should be our last set of beads here. But before we tie this together, if yours feels too loose, which mine is in a few places, what you're going to do is at the same time you're going to pull on this string and the bead that sticks out to just tighten it a little bit. And you can do that with all the colors. So I'm just pulling on the bead that sticks out. It will be loose, so you'll have to go back and... It doesn't have to be all the way tight, just a little tighter. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now, we're going to take this, be careful when you take this bead off. Make sure you're holding onto the string here. But you remove that bead. And then tie these strings together. Okay, you can tie cut that little piece off. Oh no! Oh, don't do what I did, guys. Make sure both of your beads are on this side. Let's see if I can... Well, okay, I'm going to fix this off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, learn from my mistake there. Make sure both of your beads are over on this side before you tie. Okay, now we're going to go through this pink bead and up through this pink. Oh. Come on. Which way did I have that? It got flipped around on me. Okay, so this can easily be twisted here, so be careful. Now we're going to add the stars. So we went through this pink. We're going to add one clear And then for the star color, we're going to do whatever bead is sticking out here. So this one's purple. We're going to add a purple star and then another clear bead. Okay, so clear, star, clear. And we'll go through this blue. Okay, the next bead we're going to do is green. So clear, green, and a clear. And then we'll go through the yellow. Okay, the next bead that's sticking out is orange. So clear, orange, and clear. We'll go through the pink. Okay, the next one sticking out is purple. Go through the blue. Next one sticking out is green. We'll go through the yellow. The next one is orange. And we're going to go through we're going to go through quite a few beads here. We need to get our string, here am I off camera. We need to get our string over to this side. So we're going to go through the pink, clear. We're going to go through all these beads here. And we're going to cross through. Okay, so we're coming out of this bead. You're going to take your needle and go all the way across up through this green. And this is what it looks like so far. Okay, now for this side, we're going to have to look over here to figure out what star we need to add. Yellow. Go through the orange. Pink. And I will say this runs a little small, so, but it will stretch. I'm guessing this is looks about 6 or 5 inches. So if you need a larger size, you could add another color. Or you could do a whole nother set of rainbow if you wanted it even bigger. Okay. Come over here. We need to add blue. Next color, yellow. Go through the orange. Next color, pink. Well, I guess 2 feet will be enough string for the whole project. I thought we might have to add more. Okay, we'll go through the purple. And our last color is blue. And I'm going to go ahead and go through the two of these and tie my string. Okay, so you're just going to tie onto the string. And you can cut that off. And that's what it looks like. Yeah, let's try this on. So my wrist is a size 7. Yeah, I could probably use another color added, but it still fits. Just a little tight. So it's definitely a 6 or 5 inches. So if you have a larger wrist like mine, I would add another color. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.